dog, I'm tired, but I wanna let you know what's on my mind before I fire.
Hey Duende, what you tripping on?
Yeah, stupid dog, I'm through. I'm not fit to take this shit. This is all that I can do.
Hey homie, you alright?
Dog, I'm sick of all this pedo.
Don't do nothing stupid.
Hey, I love you, homie, serio. I lived a firme life, que no, I kicked it like I had to. You always had my back, I say I'm glad I always had you. But reality is crucial, nothing lasts forever. All the shit we did together, don't forget me, homie, ever.
Duende, why you tripping? What's wrong? This ain't like you. Quit sipping on that beast or something stupid that you might do.
It hurts for me to do this, dog, to think of my familia. My hyena dog, my little kids, my little carnalillas. But the truth is I'm a burden, I no longer wanna suffer. Fuck the world and fuck this life, I'm sick of all these motherfuckers.
Why you cocking back your cuete? This ain't cool, homie, Charlie. You're tripping, homie, serio. Don't do this fucking holly.
I ain't tripping, cause I was brought up with the real. A broken heart can't be re-broke, so I ain't got nothing to feel. I try to chill, las madres always come in my direction. 20 shots, I thought protection. Slinging rocks is my profession, dog, I'm stressing. I'm a burden, getting bigger with my cuete to my dome. My fingers shaking on the trigger, come to figure. Hey, I'm just as selfish as they told me. Yeah, but homie, all I needed was a jefe to control me. No hyena got to know me, my motto was to get it. 13 años trying to hit it, I don't think I can forget it. 11/2, 97, the day I realized that if there ever was a God, he never looked into my eyes. Ain't no surprise, my adolescent years is when I lost it. If there ever was a line that day my primo died, I crossed it. Homie, fuck it. The thing is that I find myself alone. The only thing I might have left is this cuetazo to my dome. Tell my jefes I apologize for all their pain and sorrow. They won't see me back tomorrow, my fate refused to follow. Tell my little carnalillas, my jefilla, not to worry, that I seen another light throughout the night. Eyes blurry, tell my hyena that I love her. Don't tell her I was crying, make her think I wasn't tripping, even though she'll know you're lying. My kids, damn, I wish that I could kiss them. I'm not doing this to diss them, dog, I'm really gonna miss them. But today, here, and now is when it's over. Not another bala older, take this weight up off my shoulders. Nothing better than what's less, I finally get to rest. I wasn't living, dog, my heart was beating dead inside my chest. But I guess I'll get to rest, all peaceful in my coffin.
Quit talking like you're crazy.
Sabes que I'm finished talking.